Welcome guys. In this section we will be discussing MCB, which is miniature circuit breaker. This is also a circuit breaker, but we are never telling it a circuit breaker. It's always good to say MCB to distinguish it between the main breaker and the auxiliary AC/DC supply breaker. So you have been seeing this in the drawing, and I thought that we should give a brief introduction about it. Okay, a miniature circuit breaker automatically switches off electrical circuit during an abnormal condition of the network, means in overload condition as well as faulty condition. Nowadays we use an MCB in low voltage circuits network instead of fuse. So for you, before, in old days, mostly fuse was used, and fuse was just like a wire, and when overcurrent, if they are using a wire of 5 ampere and if current flow more than 5 ampere, it will melt down, and you have to put a new fuse in old days to again restore the circuit. But nowadays we are using MCB. This is the shape of MCB in brief. This is basically a 3-pole MCB, and it is shown, it's from ABB and C16. 16 is the rating of the MCB, 16 ampere, and they have shown the symbol, so just go through it. It's very simple. Okay, so although MCB is also circuit breaker, but in production engineering MCB is used for low voltage, whereas circuit breaker is used for MV, HV, extra high voltage circuit breakers. So this is how we are using the terms and how you can name these two different items separately. Also, it has auxiliary contact, and the auxiliary contact can be attached, and this contact will be connected to this. You can see this black color, there is a point available here, and when this open and close, the contact also changes position. They are connected here. So this is a little introduction about the MCB, and thank you very much. Okay, let's check in the drawing how MCBs are shown. I have opened a component list. This is F101. You can see this is the DP, distribution MCB, and MCB is mentioned here. 6 ampere is the rating of MCB. Short circuit rating is 10 kiloampere. It has 1 kilos and open contact, and this is auxiliary switch for AC supply. It is used for AC supply. This is the type of the MCB. You can say ordering code. This is the make of MCB, which is Schneider, and 10 is the sheet number. At sheet number 10 it's available. So we are starting to study MCB from, okay, this is the symbol of MCB F101. I've already explained that odd contacts are normally used here for incoming, connecting the supply, and even contacts are used in the drawing are to connect the outgoing supply. So if in the drawing you find the reverse, you can give comment. This is the basically the standard, default standard. So this is AC MCB, again this is MC MCB. This is the contact. If MCB trips, it is already in off position, so in this case 1112 will operate and it will give the alarm. So this is a brief introduction about the MCB. Thank you very much.